forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss problem based on logarithmic function. Problem number 1, find the value of this. See the questions. 1 upon log a and log c, log b is not there. 1 upon log a and log b, log c is not there. 1 upon log b, log c, log a is not there. So first step, write. In place of 1, we can write log b base b, because log b base b equal to 1 plus log c base b plus, in this log c is not there, so write log c base c, log a base c, log b base c. Third one, log is not there, so write log a base a, log b base a plus log c base a. Next step, 1 upon, apply property of log. Log m plus log n equal to log m into n. This is applicable for more than 2 function also. So we can write log b into a into c, means log abc and base b, common base b, plus 1 upon log c into a into b, means log abc and base c, plus 1 upon log abc, a, b and c base a. Now use property of base changing, log abc upon b. So we can write in this way, 1 upon, so we can write log b base abc plus log c base abc plus log a base abc. अगर 1 upon log हो तो अपन इंटरचेंज करते हैं इनको by this property. Log b base a is equal to 1 upon log a base b, यानी change the position of a and b. Again same base, log m plus log n plus log q, so we can write log this into this into this, so log abc base abc equal to 1. Next problem, prove that this equal to this. There is no base is not given, so we can take any base, log 2 base a, any base. Now start from left hand side, any side you can take. Log 2 base a plus 2 log 5 base a minus log 3 base a minus 2 log 7 base a is equal to log 2 base a as it is plus 2 log 5 base a. We can write log base a and 5 raised to the power 2 by which property? Log m raised to the power n equal to n log m base a. जो पावर वो आगे आ जाती है, अगर पावर आ गया तो अपन ऊपर भी लिख सकते हैं, माइनस लॉग 3 बेस है माइनस लॉग ए 7 रेज टू द पावर 2. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, log 2 बेस है प्लस log 5 स्क्वायर बेस है, बेस इज सेम, log m प्लस log n. सो log, या फर्स्ट सिंप्लीफाइड इज बेटर, log 2 बेस है प्लस log 5 स्क्वायर मीन्स 25 बेस है माइनस कॉमन, सो वी गेट log 3 बेस है प्लस log 7 स्क्वायर 49 बेस है, log a 2 इंटू 25 माइनस log m प्लस log n इक्वल टू log m इंटू n, सो 3 इंटू 49 बेस है log m minus log n equal to log m upon n, and common base है log m is 25 to जा 50 and 49 3 जा 147 is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Next problem. Compute the following: 5 log 3 base 2 minus 3 raised to the power log 5 base 2. We can solve this question by formula also, directly by this formula. X log y base a is equal to y log x base a. So directly answer is 0. But if you forgot, then the process is there. Change the base. Simplify any one, either one, this or this. So next step, 5 log 3 base 2. We can write log 3 base 5 upon log 2 base 5. Next step, we can write 5 raised to the power log 3 base 5 and whole raised to the power 1 upon log 2 base 5, and write this also, I forgot, 3 log 5 base 2 minus 3 raised to the power log 5 base 2. अब नाउ 5 log का बेस और एक्सपोनेंट का बेस सेम है तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा और क्या आ जाएगा 3 बाय दिस फार्मूला. a raised to the power log x base a is equal to x. Property number 9 and this is property number 10. So 5 और 5 cancel, we get 3 only. 3 raised to the power 1 by, अब इसको ऊपर ले जाएंगे तो क्या आएगा log 5 base 2 minus 3 raised to the power log 5 base 2. Both are cancelled, so we get 0. Next problem. Compute the following: log 125 base a upon log 25 base a. 125 we can write 5 raised to the power 3 and 25 we can write 5 raised to the power 2. Now apply property number 5. Log m raised to the power n base a is equal to n log m base a. So 3 log 5 base a upon 2 log 5 base a. Log 5 base a cancel, so we get 3 upon 2. Next problem. Log 4 base 0.5. Next step, 0.5 means 0.5 upon 10. So 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. So 4 we can write 2 square or 0.5 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 2 raised to the power minus 1. 0.5 is equal to 1 by 5 by 10. Sorry, write directly 0.5. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 1 if any doubt. अब नो log के अंदर जो भी नंबर उसकी जो पावर हो तो आगे आती है 2 log 2 और जो बेस की पावर वो अपॉन में आती है डिनोमिनेटर में, तो अपॉन -1 और बेस 2. सो -2 log 2 बेस 2 1. सो आंसर इज -2. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. log 4 बेस 3 इंटू log 5 बेस 4 इंटू log 6 बेस 5 इंटू log 7 बेस 6 इंटू log 8 बेस 7 इंटू log 9 बेस 8. So many questions are there such types. अब now use base changing formula. We can write log 4 base a upon log 3 base a into log 5 base a upon log 4 base a into log 6 base a upon log 5 base a into log 7 base a upon log 6 base a into log 8 base a upon log 7 base a into log 9 base a upon log 8 base a. अब now see log 5 base a log 5 base a cancel, log 4 base a log 4 base a cancel, log 6 बेस है कैंसिल, log 7 बेस है कैंसिल, log 8 बेस है कैंसिल. So only log 9 base है left. 9 can be written as 3 square upon log 3 base है. By property number 5 we can write 2 log 3 base है. ये जो 2 आगे आ जाएगा log m raised to power n equal to n log m. log 3 base है cancel and write formula in bracket. log m raised to power n base है equal to n log m base है. So answer is 2. Next problem. Solve the following equation. So by definition of log, बेस अपनी जगह रहेगा, सिर्फ चेंज क्या होगा, ये दोनों आपस में इंटरचेंज होंगे. तो 10 रेज़ टू द पावर 2 और इक्वल टू कितना आएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 12x प्लस 36. नेक्स्ट स्टेप रीअरेंज, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 12x प्लस 36 एंड इक्वल टू 100. Send 100 that side. So you get x square minus 12x, 36 minus 100 minus 64 equal to 0. अब tell me two numbers whose sum is minus 12 and product is minus 64. So minus 16x plus 4x, minus 16 plus 4 minus 12 and minus 16 to 4 minus 64. And after this simple calculation, x common, so x minus 16, 4 common, x minus 16 equal to 0. x minus 16 into x plus 4 equal to 0. Product of two numbers equal to 0. Either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So x equal to 16 or x equal to minus 4. Next problem. Solve the following equation. Log this base 4, then log this base 3, then log x base 2 equal to 0. Let us consider this whole quantity is x. This whole quantity is x. So log x base 4 equal to 0. So by definition of log, base तो यही रहेगा, सिर्फ आपस में इंटरचेंज होंगे, दिस होल क्वांटिटी और 0. तो 0 आएगा 4 raised to the power और इक्वल टू में कितना आएगा, log 3 log x base 2. Next step, log x base 2 and base 3. 4 raised to power 0 means 1. Again let us consider this quantity is x. So log x base 3 equal to 1. Again same, base 3 रहेगा और 1 और ये आपस में इंटरचेंज हो जाएंगे, इक्वल टू log x base 2. log x base 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power 1, 3. फिर से किसको इंटरचेंज करेंगे अपन, x और 3 को, तो 2 raised to the power 3 equal to x. So value of x is 8. Next problem. Solve the following equation. This plus this plus this equal to 14. Log x 16 we can write 2 raised to the power 4. Log x 4 we can write 2 raised to the power 2 plus log x base 2 is equal to 14. अगर बेस में पावर है तो क्या होगा, अपॉन में आ जाएगी, तो 1/4 log x base 2, 2 की पावर 2 तो 1/2 log x base 2 plus log x base 2 equal to 14. Log x base 2 common, so we get 1/4 plus 1/2 plus 1 equal to 14. Log x base 2. अब now 1/4, 1/2 और 1. Tell me the answer. 1/1 plus 1/2, 3/2 plus 1/4. Taking LCM 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 14. Log x base 2, 4 और 2, 6 और 1 7. So 7/4 इज इक्वल टू 14. 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14. So log x base 2 equal to 4 2 जा 8. Next step, apply definition of log. बेस अपनी जगह रहेगा, सिर्फ इन दोनों की पोजीशन चेंज होगी. So 2 raised to the power 8 equal to x. So value of x is 2 raised to the power 8, 256. Thank you. Have a nice day.